Paula Pascal from Tonic Studios, and we are here at the Creativation 2018 booth of Tonic Studios. I'm going to show you around. First of all, I'm going to show you the brand new look for Tim Holtz tools. We have got them now all in black, beautiful. All the 5-inch snippers. Then we have got the titanium snip and the 7-inch and the 9.5, all in that beautiful black. And this is going to be coming available. It's a rollover, so as soon as we go through the red ones, you are going to see the black coming up. Then of course we have got the paper piercers, the retractable craft knife, the scratcher, the distresser, all of them coming in this beautiful black, such a nice look, elegant, sophisticated. And this is the brand new media mat from Tim Holtz by Tonic. So we have got here, this is a heat resistant. You can cut on the glass. You can use all your blending techniques in here. The markings have been designed specifically by Tim Holtz, so he wants a center point in here. We have got all the 14 inches in width and the 12 inches in height. Then we have got here the really easy clean mat, which has this heat resistant as well, and it has got the silicone base. It's white, so you can use blending. And in the back here, you can see the palette space, perfect for your ink pads in here, to use with your distress markers, as well as obviously the aqua flows from Nouveau and so many more things. Then here we have got the replacements. You can have them on their own. They are 7.5 by 11 inches. So you can, even if you don't have the glass mat, you can have them on their own. You can do lots of different, all the different techniques that you can do on a Teflon mat. But in this case, I wouldn't use the alcohol inks in here because they kind of seep in too much. But I use the Nouveau crystal drops, let them dry, and then they kind of flip off, and then I glue them onto my cards. Of course, we have got the stamp platform, which is the original one, which is the 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. And of course, now we have got the travel platform that is 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. It has got all the features that we love from the larger one, but in that smaller traveling size. We also get now the matching traveling stamp platform protective sleeve, which is slightly darker, so you can see exactly which one you're getting. So you can see the larger one in here, so you can see how they stack to each other. The trimmer, the 8.5 with the black new look in here. And of course now we have got this guillotine I love. I have had the previous version, which was orange, and now we can have it in black, a much more the Tim Holtz look. It's 12 by 6, but then it has got an extended arm, and it gives you precision cut every single time. Sharp, 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 and safe as well. So I think this is it for the Tim Holtz. So let's go moving on onto the Tonic area. So of course we have got scissors for different types of uses. So from the tinies, the crafted snip, the decoupage scissors, which has that spring action, to the new precision rotary cutter with that smaller blade, but it's a perfection, to cut fabric and so on. Then we have got the new 10-inch forged fabric scissors, really good quality. We have got the spring ones. We have got the embossing tools here, glues. We have got all sorts of tools in this action. Also, I want to show you the Table Tidy. If you haven't seen this is an amazing product that creates a storing space and extends your craft area and your table, creates a space out of nowhere. If you haven't got one, just check them out because they are absolutely fantastic. You attach them with a C-class to your table, and then you can buy different ones as well, the little pockets, and expand it. Right, so we are going to move there. Here we have got the dies. So we have got the dimensions, which are the 3D boxes, whether it is the kaleidoscope boxes, the cupcake and treat boxes, handbags, and so much more. Tonic is very well renowned for this 3D dies. They are very intricate dies. They have got panels that will cut apertures lace work into them, as well as the outside. So you can choose whichever works for you. If you struggle to find the storage for the larger dies, the Tonic does these very strong folders with magnetic A4 or slightly larger than a letter size, and it's double-sided, so you can store all those dies that are, quite, a lot of different pieces in there safely. And then you can put them into a ring binder, like so, that we also have. So you can put them inside it, and then you can put the magnetic, and then you have them safe. Now, the other dies that we have got here, this is one of my ultimate favorites. It's like creates a box that is a sort of old, Victorian or, a Tudor style village, but they are actually boxes, so you can put gift boxes, you can make advent calendars, and so much more. This is one of the newest, so it's addressable, so you can create little toys, a little dress doll sort of style. And we have got the essentials and a lot of different dies we have got here. This is the rococo's. So the rococo's are more elaborate, more intricate dies, and they're kind of the focal point of the sort of collection of Tonic. So we have Christmas, we have traveling, and so much more. Now we are moving into Nouveau. Nouveau is color, sparkle, finishing touches from Tonic Studios. And we have got, so brand new, we have got the Diamond Nouveau hybrid inks. So hybrid are these inks that you can then color in on top with water-based or solvent-based. We have got a brand new colors in here, you can see in the cube ones. And then we have also released new markers, the Nouveau markers that are alcohol-based. And of course, you can use them in combinations. We have got now in different new sets. Then also, one of my ultimate favorite coloring ways of creating backgrounds is the aqua flows. We had 4 sets released last year, and now this year we're going to release another 4 that you will release with the trend collection. So throughout the year we are going to have them released. They are water-based, beautiful inks that you can mix and react, and they are wonderful. As they are wonderful, the Nouveau glitter markers. So last year we released 3 sets of 3 each. Now we are releasing 6 new colors that will be individually packaged. So from the pink, the beautiful Athian blue, white lavender, and they expand the palette as well. Now, one of the most well-known products from Nouveau is the glitter, the crystal drops, whether they are the crystal drops or the glitter ones, or the glow drops or the aquas. They all have got that beautiful self-leveling that create those enamel-like stickers. But you can create any size you want of those enamel, perfectly done little embellishments. And they have got the whole collection in here, and you can see there, I'm going to show you what they do. And I like to put the one drop in the center, and it will draw like that. They self-level to create a perfect bead in there. Okay. And by the way, excuse the dirty fingers. I've been demonstrating all day. Also, we have got here the Confetti and Glitter, the new colors. Perfect for your shaker cards, that confetti, that, whether they're hexagons, like sequins, little stars, different colors to create with the trends. I'm just gonna put them back all the way. Then we have got the Embellishment Moves, which is this beautiful texture paste, water-based product that you can use it as a water color if you will dilute it with water. You can just use a sponge and blend it in and transform your cards. You can dilute it with water and put it into sprays as well. It's one of the multifunctioning. It will dry on most surfaces, and glossy surfaces becomes non-permanent, so you can always remove it a little bit. So it works like a gilding wax, but non-permanent. Of course, we have got embossing powders in different colors. Those beautiful, and then we are launching this year the beautiful shimmer powders, so in different colors. So we have got solid colors in the in the original like CMK colors. Those ones are solid. And then we have got
Rival schools, baby.
the multicolor ones. So for instance, we have got the Atlantis Burst, the Violet Arcade and Green Parade in different, that have got a little bit of colors coming through them as well as the solid ones. The beautiful piercing glitter, which is one of the original products from Nouveau. So you have got these really large, beautiful bottles with the big diamond T on the top, and there's loose glitter. Then we have got brand new for this year. We have got the mica mist. So it comes in 6 colors. So they have a setter in them. So when you spray it, it becomes permanent or in your card. And this is the 6 different colors. So this is the silver and the gold, but it does come a little bit. You have to shake them well before you use them. And then we have got here the Glimmer Paste, which is that beautiful paste that has got some silver, it has got glitter. You can put through stencils, and then you can also use it on fabric and then wash it as well. I love to use it in cushions. It looks stunning, and it's really sparkly, it's really beautiful color, and through stencils it retains a lot of the texture. Right, and so we are going now to the newer tools. So we have got from the nylon brushes for all mediums, which is for, you can use it with distress inks, with blending in to create backgrounds and so on. So they're very, very soft at the top. Then the nylon brushes for more detailing, so you can use them for coloring in and things like that. The blending brushes, the sweep. This one is perfect if you work a lot with glitters and embossing powders and things like that, and you always have a mess of powder. Just brush it off with them. Super soft. Also, you can use it for makeup, but don't tell anybody. Then we have got the light mist, which is, if you like a really fine mist, it comes in empty and you fill it with water. You can create your own mist as well. Really soft mist water spray. This stamp cleaner is amazing. It's absolutely brilliant. It cleans your stamp platform like nothing. If you have got difficulties with having it clean surfaces, always try the Nouveau stamp cleaning solution. Is really good. Also, the blending sponges from Nouveau, they are non-latex. So if you have got any allergies you want to have of latex, you don't have any problem. It's ergonomic, so to put the fingers, and it's perfect to use with distress inks, but of course also the Embellishment Moves, and it blends beautifully. Then we have got the glues, and also coming up very soon is a stamp cleaning pad with a magnetic clasp, and it has got a it's double-sided inside it, so you can use the stamp cleaner in one side and then the other one dry, so you can use it, rub it in one side and then dry it on the other one. So you can see it there, how it comes like that. We are now having our own adhesives. And then finally, we are going to go through the Craft Perfect cardstock. So we have got beautiful handmade paper that has got that beautiful texture and pearlescentness in one side. So we have got different colors, different textures, all of them. They die cut beautifully, and then even if you run it through the die cutting machine, it will retain its embossed effect. Then we have got the specialty card, which is embossed, beautiful cardstock. So this one is more of a cardstock, and the other one is more of a paper. And it has got this all pearlescent and different types of embossed effects in there. So we have them all the colors in there. Of course, we have got the traditional Craft Perfect 216 or 80 pounds cardstock with the texture on one side, with texture, and then smooth on the other. We have got card, ultra smooth, and then we have got the mirror cards, or the beautiful pearlescent. And then we have got different colors, and we have got into the gloss one, and then the matte or satin finish, which coordinates well, and it kind of creates. And all of our cardstock has been, we have been tested to die cut, so all of it die cuts with wafer thin dies or chemically etched dies really well. We have also pearlescent cardstock in all these colors, as well as glitter card that has got a beautiful texture in it. It's not encapsulated, so it means that you will be able to use it for your die cutting. Okay? And do you want to finish?
Thanks for joining us here.
Thank you very much for joining us here at Creativation 2018 at the Tonic Studios booth. Thank you.